Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here, down at Ducati Chelmsford today. We've got a new bike turned up from the new 2022 range. It's the Multisrada V2. Right, I've got a little surprise for Paul as well, but he don't know yet. Right, how you doing?
Yeah, good.
How's your lid? Cold out there, is it?
Cold today?
Is it?
Yeah.
Freezing. We gonna unbox this bike?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right.
I'm wrapping up because I'm going out.
Yeah, we wrap up to go out.
Yeah.
It's freezing out, got the heater on in here.
Cold out today. Get that bike out.
Get your tools out.
Get that bike out, butler.
We've got a Multisrada and a new V2.
We've got two bikes.
No, we've got a new Multisrada V2.
Oh, I see.
Where did you find this lid?
I didn't know. I've had the lid from you, but it's had a few...
What?
It's never been dropped, but it's been rubbed down so many times and sprayed. And unfortunately, I sprayed this bit with a paint that reacted.
Ah.
Anyway, don't worry.
Got a surprise for you today.
Have you?
Yeah. I'll tell you, we'll have a look. Let's get this bike out and we'll have a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Oh, that's got nippy in it.
Bring the bin over.
I need some gloves on or something. It's cold out here. I feel like I should have a jacket on.
I gave you a jacket, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. I sold it.
I was going to ask where it was. I've not seen you wearing it.
We'll have all the 2022 models in, won't we? So we've got this to do. Yeah, we've got the Street Fighter SP to do. The Multisrada Pikes Peak. We've got the new Street Fighter V2, which I am really looking forward to.
When are all these coming?
I don't know. Let's hope Ducati hurry up and send us them, mate. New Panigale. The Desert X. I'm looking forward to. Shall I help or shall I just watch her?
No, you can watch.
Alright, I'll watch. So for this, which will be a good thing different from the 950, it's got a lower seat.
Oh, that's good.
Well, I say it's got a lower seat. It's only about 10 mil, but with a lowering kit, you can lower it 40 mil, which will be good because the 950 is tall, isn't it?
40 mil?
That's quite a lot, isn't it, 40 mil?
So 40 mil, I won't have to wear platforms anymore.
No, you'll be able to ride it. So there is some differences. It's supposed to have a different seat tail unit and seat. I think it's got the Multisrada V4 mirrors and wheels on it as well. Different engine casing. It's got a different... They've changed the gearbox and the clutch for smoother gear changes.
Still short shift though, can't
Yeah,
I?
you can still short shift, yeah, definitely. How do you feel after them cheese rolls I made, Jack?
Oh, they're lovely.
You say? Yeah. Got my new jacket on, thanks to my friend here.
Freezing I am. I'd like one of those jackets.
You had one.
I gave it to a friend.
He's out and about, going green. We've got all over your jacket.
Paint. That's paint.
Paint?
Yeah, I've been painting. I've been on the brush.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, painting the fence. I also went to see if I could get a suit made.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
For
yeah. I
what?
didn't tell you this.
Oh yeah, what happened?
Well, I fancied having a suit made rather than buying off the peg, you know.
Because I suppose it's hard to get them to fit you.
Oh, you're taking the piss. I just wanted a nice suit. That's all it was.
All right, you
I wanted a nice suit.
Yep.
So I went to a place that are proper tailors, and he said, "What exactly do you want?" I said, "I want a single-breasted suit, dark grey."
Yeah.
And he said, "What's it for?" I don't know, for occasions. I just want to. I said, "Well, what exactly do you want?" I said, "I want to look like Daniel Craig, like 007." You know what he did? He chuckled. He chuckled at me.
So did you get the suit?
No.
Have you been measured up?
No, not yet.
I don't understand what for. You've got a job interview or something. You've only got another 6 months till summer.
Yeah. Look at that sky, it's so clear.
It's lovely. Winter's day, look at that.
We had another V2 Multisrada delivered then.
Oh, he's hilarious, isn't he?
Yeah, this is the third
Can't
one
be
he's
the same one, surely.
This is the third one he's unboxed today.
I'm the only bloody person doing it.
I'm helping you.
His hands wouldn't look out of place on like one of the world's strongest men, would it?
I think Homer Simpson's got the same hands as Paul.
Should we have tea soon?
Yeah. I've got something to show you.
Was it a surprise?
It's a surprise for you, yeah.
I'm happy with a surprise.
Okay.
Can we have a look?
Yeah, come on, then. Look, V2s. Different seat unit, We'll get it inside where it's warmer,
Oh,
shall
no,
we?
I've got one of them as well.
It's been shot! We'll get it off, we'll get it in built, and then we'll get it back out. Because we've got to plug it all in. Oh, it's fucking gosh.
Save that for later.
There's going to be retaliations here. Yeah, we'll get this inside, get all the bits on it, and then we'll get it out with the other one. Sweet. Can you reach that all right?
Where is he? I can't see him.
It's nice, doesn't it?
Do you like it?
Yeah. You know they do a grey one in this S as well. Like dark grey. Look, really does look nice. We'll have a cup of tea, we'll get this built, and then we'll look at it with the other 950.
Let's do that.
Yeah, well they've slightly changed the engine on that new V2. Oh, so am I having tea?
It looks that way.
Yeah. You know when we're doing all the videos and stuff?
Yeah.
You know what I've been moaning about a lot?
Your erectile dysfunction.
No, apart from that, you know what else I've been moaning about a lot? It's something to do with the helmet.
Oh.
My eye that's noisy and stuff.
Yeah, I know you don't like that.
And you know the other day I asked you what size crash helmet are you? Because I spoke to somebody.
Who'd you speak to?
Well, I was just speaking to a guy. You know the guy who
Random
comes
guy?
in with an X-lite helmets?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah? I was telling him about our videos and that we do videos, and I was thinking I was moaning about my helmet. He was like, oh yeah, and he seemed a bit interested.
Have you seen the videos?
He's seen the videos, yeah. He likes them, and I said, like, I do the videos, you ride them and that. And then I was moaning that because they do crash helmets, I was moaning about my air crash helmet, you know. And he was like, oh yeah, well these new lids, blah blah. You know, we got sent some biscuits.
We did.
We did, by the lovely Donna. Well, we've been sent something else. It's nearly Christmas. I've got a present for you.
Really?
Yeah. It's got your name on it, Paul.
Really?
Yeah. Have a look at that.
Oh wow, that has got my name on it.
It has got your name on it. Have a look at that.
My crash helmet's terrible.
Yeah. So let's have a look at this.
Look at that.
They're X-lite because they should be really light. Look at that.
Oh, that's lovely, that is.
Carbon fibre. What do you think of that?
That's fantastic.
It's carbon fibre.
Oh look, it's got that.
Oh, you got the little visor in there as well.
Visor.
Let me make the tea.
That's really nice.
Paul and Trevor, I think they're from Moto Gear, and they said they sent us some lids.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's much appreciated. Thank you both.
Because I've got one as well.
What, the same?
Let's
Have you
have a
looked
look.
at yours?
No, I haven't. Mine's just got my name on it as well.
Oh, this is fantastic.
This is Paul's new lid. This is an X-lite X903. That is not. It don't even weigh anything.
No, it doesn't.
Try it on. See what you think.
They come in.
I think that's going to make you faster because you're lighter.
Can you see me?
I know.
I can see you.
I can't see
I'm
you.
watching you.
Right, so I've got one as well. I've got one. Look,
That
it's
doesn't
got.
weigh a thing, you know. That arrow on mine, I'm going to throw that straight away.
Oh yeah, that's your little flip down bit. You're going to be really cool. You'd be like Street Hawk.
Yeah.
I've got one. Look, it's got Martin written on it.
For you then. I don't want to put it down.
So I've got one as well. Look.
Oh, this is.
Let's have a look what one mine is. And I'll tell you what else I've just seen in my bag.
What the hell?
Look at this. That's the X-lite X803.
Yep. Yeah, that fits
Right,
nice.
it fits like a glove.
Oh, you can wear that now.
I'm gonna. I like this little nose bit. And I'll tell you what else is really good. Right, for the videos.
And vents. Different
For
vents.
talking, this little chin bit. Stopping all the wind. But shall I tell you what else I've got? Because you've got the flip down little glasses, which is good for you, I get a tinted visor in with mine. So you get a tint with this, you get a tinted visor.
You've got this on yours, look. You can remove these bits in an emergency.
Oh look, you just press this little button and it comes off. Look at that.
That's clever.
Oh now look at that.
Look at these vents.
Look at this with a black visor. Yeah, look now.
Yeah.
That is so much lighter than my eye. And I like the back's not so low. Look at that visor.
Yeah. Sleek.
But look what else I've got in mine, look.
A moustache.
That is fucking welcome.
We're going to wear these.
I can get on my camera and that put on them. And then when we ride the 950, I'm going to be riding with this on. And see what it's like. You happy now?
Yeah, really happy. It's good.
So Paul and Trevor at Moto Gear,
Yeah.
massive thanks.
Thank
That's
you.
probably the, apart from Donna's chocolate biscuits, it's probably one of the best things I've ever been given.
All we need now is really people to give us holidays. And
yeah. So if anyone's out there and they've got a nice villa
somewhere hot.
Somewhere hot.
Owned by women.
Yeah. Happy Christmas.
Yeah, happy Christmas to you and
to them.
Yeah.
Yeah. X-lite. Awesome. Awesome.
This might be my best Christmas present. I don't think I'm getting anything else.
Well, no, but that's really good.
Maybe a cuddle from Donna.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
For you, not for me, because I don't want a fella cuddling me after. Let's build the V2.
Let's go.
Mirrors are on.
Go.
Screens on.
Yeah.
Plug this baby in.
Tire
Fire her up.
Tyre pressure's done.
Right, so we've seen in the other videos the V4 that we've been riding. Got some nice V4s in here. But we have got the 950 here. So I'll get this outside and have a look at it against the new V2 and see what the differences are. And just put that next to that one, the other side of it. Oh, it's cold out, isn't it? It's got colder now, boy.
Yeah.
Right, so here it is. I quite like the black frame actually. Do you want to start it up? Let's see. Let's have a listen to it. Sit on that one then. Sit on that one first. See if you can reach the floor.
Not really.
Let's have a look at your feet.
But
You're just about to touch the floor
I can,
with that.
if I take one foot up.
Well, so now sit on this one, see.
If I had my 70s disco gear on,
Yeah.
with those
Yeah, this is
spangly
platforms.
Yeah, spangly platforms.
Now sit on this, because you know what's different. The seat's a lot thinner, where your legs go.
This one.
Oh, you can fit. You can touch the floor a lot better. On
Yeah,
that.
yeah. This one's lower. Do you want
Alright.
this off?
Yeah, that's it. You can turn that off.
And the key's in it, all right?
Alright, so that's the new V2.
That's nice. That.
Engine casings are different.
Quiet, isn't it?
You know why the engine casings are different? Because they've changed the clutch. Oh, and the mirrors are different. So you've got these mirrors
Oh yeah.
rather than them mirrors. But yeah, the seat unit, because this seat's a lot thinner here. So it lets your legs go in more.
Yeah. Look at that other seat.
Yeah. Quite wide. Yeah, so that's the new V2. Multistrada. Well, so that's the new Multistrada V2s unboxing and a quick look around the bike. I'm about to get my gear on now and have a quick ride of this bike and see what I think. But that is for the next video. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Look at him.
If you can maybe just say, look, you
Look
got
at him over there, look.
well happy, isn't he?
What?
Just say that.
We've been sent a present.
You know, if you do still want it, we do need to get it.
You're just not in enough of the videos.
Obviously not popular enough. I'm not going to say what I was going to say because I've noticed his camera's on, but
Well, you can tell me.
you got a blow to get free stuff done around here.
I have heard you're good and all. You're going to throw your lid away?
It's going places.
He's had enough of it. Look at this.
Look at this.
With the black visor on it. That's cool.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, what?
He's got one as well.
I need to ask a question.
Yeah.
Why is it all of the fellas in here who can't ride a bike for shit have got all these fancy new lids?
Oh, shut up.
Fucking hell, he looks the part now, doesn't he?
Oh, and look, I'm going to put this on as well. I've got the winter nose thing. That makes you look faster.
In fairness, you do ride all year round.
Yeah. That's nice with the black visor though, isn't it?
Oh, it's a nuts. What a lovely lid.
What's Paul got?
What's Paul got? Probably like a gold-plated one or
No,
something.
I haven't. I've got this one, which is great.
Look, he's got full carbon fibre.
Oh, you got full carbon like my one.
Look at us two.
Look at
Oh,
this,
look
man.
Look at us two with our helmets together.
Not the first time your helmets have touched,
Tom
is
Cruise.
it?
No. So look,
Andy's as
Tom
well.
Cruise. Oh, no, he's got one as well.
Hold on a minute.
I've got a one with a tinter and all.
Come and touch the helmets.
We're all touching helmets.
Who's got the biggest one?
Andy.
Me.
He does love a helmet.
I work with them.
Yeah, surrounded by them daily.